This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, undo the retaining screws and pull the rear light cluster rearwards. Lift the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. The bulb holder assembly is secured by 4 clips around its edge. Release the clips and remove the bulb holder. Remove the relevant bulb by pushing it in slightly and rotating it anti-clockwise. Insert the new bulb, aligning the bayonet pins with the slots in the socket. Note that most bulbs will only fit in one position. Refit the bulb holder to the light cluster, pressing it into place to engage the retaining clips. Reconnect the wiring plug, then offer the light cluster into position, engaging the locating pins on the edge with the corresponding holes in the vehicle body. Press the light cluster into place, then refit and securely tighten the retaining screws.